Hello everyone, how's everyone going? My name is Sanjeev, and on this video I wanted to share with you a concept which I recently came across, and it actually ties in very well together with YouTube automation channels. And if you also look at any other different business model which we actually start, and if you understand the concept, it will make a lot of sense to you, and that way you don't get frustrated, right? And I also going to be sharing with you a step-by-step direction of if you're a complete newbie want to start a YouTube automation business. But first, if you are actually new to my channel and if you don't know how you can actually start a YouTube channel, you're going to go to my channel homepage, and in here I put out a playlist, right? It's a free playlist where you can see how you can actually start a YouTube automation business from scratch. Okay, so this is the first video, so click on the whole playlist and then you're going to see all this video. I made it from day 1, day 2, day 3, so you can follow along and start to create that channel and also be able to earn income from your YouTube automation business. Okay, so the concept which I recently came across was a Chinese bamboo tree, right? The Chinese bamboo tree takes 5 years of daily fertilization and also watering before you see its growth. So keep working on your goals daily and you will too will eventually see success, right? And this is really important, because if you see a Chinese bamboo tree, for the first 5 years you don't actually even see a breakout of the actual ground, right? But the farmer actually goes in the field and waters it daily, puts fertilizer and pulls off all the bad weeds, right? And if in the 5 years if he actually stopped, that bamboo tree wouldn't break out of the soil, right? So this is very critical in terms of how we actually build up a YouTube automation channel. And if we at some point, if we stop to pull out all the bad weeds and keep our content fresh, keep improving on a video to video daily basis, you're going to see that breakthrough, right? So doesn't matter whichever way you're doing YouTube automation, whichever niche you're actually into, but you need to be improving your content daily and keep watering that seed, right? Keep watering that Chinese bamboo tree, and sooner or later you'll see the breakthrough, right? So this is the actual PDF that I actually came across, and I actually put it for you. So actually I put out a Chinese bamboo tree, and the concept, a Chinese bamboo tree, you don't see a breakthrough in the first 5 years, and in the 6th year you see the breakthrough out of the soil, right? So which is very important if you're actually starting a YouTube automation business, to be really patient with yourself, because it is a new business model. You might see someone getting success, right? But it actually takes time to grow these YouTube automation channels and business, right? So the first thing that we going to be doing is monetizing YouTube channels. So I know a lot of people out there actually, they do everything organically and to get a channel monetized, and there's like a lot of platforms out there where you can go and actually get your channels monetized, and it might take you 3 months, it might take you 6 months, might take you 7 months to actually do everything organically. But the way I actually start a YouTube automation channel, I have a team who actually monetizes my channel on a daily basis, and so that way I can just start a channel and become very profitable within a very short amount of time, because I don't have to wait to actually get the channels monetized, right? So for a complete newbie, looking at about 3 to 6 months to actually get monetized, or even earlier if your content goes like really viral, right? And but for me, I just start with a already monetized channel. Okay, so I start with an already monetized channel. I know people out there like still till this day they've been doing YouTube channel for a while. Like this channel now you're currently watching, this is not a monetized channel, so actually I'm not getting paid anything with this channel at the moment. but I'm not actually focused into this channel that much. I'm more focused into building my client's channel and growing that channel, and also growing my channel at the same time, right? So already monetized channel, which is super critical. Another thing that you need to be doing is content creation strategy, right? So you need to be creating a Trello board or even Asana, and where you're actually going to be inviting your team, and you're going to be putting video ideas, like which videos they're going to be creating the videos about, the thumbnail and everything. So you're going to give them ideas in the beginning, right? So once your channel starts to make about $500,000, $1,500, that's when you can go and hire a channel manager, right? So this is where the whole 100% automation will actually come into place. But if you have income, if you have funds to actually hire the channel manager, you can do that from the get-go, so you don't even have to wait. But with me, like, I want to test something before investing. So in the beginning, I put all my focus and attention into one thing, and once I know the methods and everything works, that's when I'm gonna go ahead and hire a channel manager, right? So this is when your channel will be 100% automated, right? So they will actually do the research, they do the video creation, they'll do the thumbnail, they'll do the script. So every entire aspect of your business is actually 100% automated, right? So this is something that I actually tested on my channels, and 25 to 45 videos, or even 3 to 6 months. Give yourself time, right? Because it takes time to build a YouTube channel. Most of the time my channel actually starts picking up traction like really fast. I'm talking about 10 or 15 videos. But at times, if I go into a niche, 25 to 45 videos, or even 3 to 6 months, right? The most amount of time that actually took on one of my channel, it was like 6 months of testing, trialing different things, right? So give yourself at least 3 to 6 months. And mindset to success, right? Mindset is really important in terms of YouTube automation business, because it just takes time. You probably going to be uploading a video, you might get only 10 views, 15 views, 20 views, okay? So your mindset has to be dialed in from the get-go, and the way you can actually do that is by meditating, and also focus on what you actually want rather than focus on what you don't want, right? So that's a key to actually getting success. And no self-doubt. And this business is all about like analyzing data, right? If you go to your channel analytics, there's all this data where you can actually look into what are the things you need to improve, your click-through rate, your average view duration, your watch hours, and all these things that you need to analyze. And if you know how to actually read all the numbers, that's when all the other videos you create after that, you're going to be just looking at your data, right? And that's how your content will actually improve, and that's how YouTube will start to promote more of your channel and content, because they can see that more and more audience are actually watching your videos, and that's how you're going to get more watch hours and more average view duration, because people are actually just watching that video, and they're staying on the platform for a very long period of time. That's how you're going to get more boost in your videos once you show YouTube that you are actually a good creator. So the way you can actually do that is like creating engaging content, right? So you can put creating engaging content. So you have to cater to your audience, whoever your audience is. If it's a kids niche, you need to know like why actually they are coming on YouTube, for mainly entertainment purpose. If you are creating videos for like a how-to video on person, you need to be creating like a very specific videos for those audience. So know your audience, that's going to be helping you out a lot, right? So those are all the key points. Hope you actually got some value out of this video. Again, thank you so much for watching. My name is Sanjeev, and also I'll leave a link in the description if you also want to know what niche you can actually get into. I'll leave a free resource in the description section so you can go and check it out. So in there, I actually put out like a PDF form where I put out like a lot of niche which you can actually choose from and see whichever one you like, just to get an idea, right? There's a lot of niches on YouTube, but those ones that I actually put on the PDF, it's actually the niche that I'll actually get into, so you can have those niche and see if it works for you or not. Right, again, thank you so much, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.